Ale.
Tita? Akit ka rito. Akit ka rito.
Ewan ko, hindi ko naman makita.
Akit ka rito sa taas. Akit ka rito. Akit ka. Tignan mo. Tignan mo, oh, meron kaming marshmallow, tsaka...
Wow.
Meron kaming ano, oh. Alam mo? Ano, tita? Meron pa akong popcorn.
Hintay. Hintay ako kita. Patingin.
Tignan mo yung baby, oh. Princess. Snow White ang costume niya. Siya si Princess.
Pato.
Pupunta tayo sa kwarto ko. Come on. Go. Wait a minute. Just wait. Did I say don't go? Please just don't go in my room.
Ano ba yan?
Naayos na yung mga kwarto ko eh.
Ayan.
Just look at my terrace.
Just look it.
Go to my room. Come on. Look at my Barbie all the stuff. This is my bookshelf. This is Hello Kitty. And this is my drawer. And just look at my bed. Please just look at my bed. And look all my stuff.
2, 3.
Look at my old dress. This is my old dress. This is Snow White. My costume. Look.
Ano pa?
This is my professional. This is the best. And this is the great. And just look at my CD. Look at this. This is my alkansya.
Wow, ang ganda pala.
Lola, oh, tignan mo yung costume ko, Snow White. Tama? Bagay ba? Bagay! Ang Snow
Uy, Beck,
White.
akin na yan, ha? Yung mga hanger. Ano pakita mo? Nice ko yung mga
Just
hanger.
look at my sweater. And my kimono. This is my kimono. Is my falda. And this is the top skirt.
Ma? Ma? Hindi mo ka nagkaroon ng holiday season.
Hi.
Pwede kang importahin.
And just look at my dress.
Nilabas?
My dress. This is my dress. Bye.